Hi everyone, let's unbox this.
Okay, so this will be my third Casio Tank style watch, and as usual, this is the invoice and the box, and I can see that the box is dented. And clearly, yes, there is a dent, very prominent dent on the left side, and that is the Casio Singapore website. And again, it's already open. Look at that. Hopefully everything inside are all right. So a few bubble wrap inside the box, and there's the watch. Seems to be okay. Hopefully pray for it. And another bubble wrap. So these are the documentation. This is the warranty card and the Casio watch manual, where most of the languages are found here. So let's proceed and take out the watch from the plastic wrapping. Okay, seems to be all right. So let's proceed and remove the cardboard and the watch tag. Okay, so all right, finally, so here is the watch tag. The model number is MQ-38-7ADF, and we proceed to remove the protective sticker, and there is it. There's no watch.
This model has a shiny white dial and gold-plated markers and hands.
The price of this watch is only $9 USD, whereas the base model that I bought earlier is only about $8 USD. This is a small watch. The width size is about 26.5 millimeter, and lug to lug of about 37.2 millimeter, and thickness of about 8 millimeter, and the weight about 19 gram. The lug size is about 18 millimeter. The special feature for this watch, I think, is the gold-plated markers and hands, which elevate it higher than the base model. Although this is a cheap watch and mainly made of plastic, but it still has a 30-meter water resistance. And this is the case back, which is, I think, the only stainless steel component of this watch. The size might be too small for those who have bigger wrists, but for me, with the wrist size of 6.5 inches, it just looks nice. Size doesn't really matter, so if you like to watch, just go for it. For me, because of the cheap price, so I might consider collecting all of the MQ-27 models. I think there are several models, and to date I have already collected 2. So next will be the comparison with the other Casio Tank. The first one is the AQ-230A-7B, and the second one is the MQ-27-1B, the black version of the MQ-27. Okay, because of the cheap price of this watch, this is something that you wouldn't want to worry if you lose it or break it, because you can always buy a new one to replace it. And next is this is how the watch look on my 6.5-inch wrist. Just nice. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you again in my next one. Bye.